Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a 2019 Ducati Monster 821 with just over 300 miles on it. This outlet motorcycle will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you today. Tires with the low miles on this bike, the tires are in great shape, plenty of miles left on it. This bike is all stock with the factory passenger seat cowl that was installed on it. Alright, show you those miles now. $321 is what's on it. This 2019 Ducati Monster 821 is an outlet motorcycle and will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping. SimplyRideUSA.com.